Furnace building. Overview of furnace building. The specified skills. 1. Evaluation exam for construction industry is divided broadly into 3 categories: civil engineering, building, and infrastructure and equipment. Passing the building exam allows you to work in the Japanese furnace building industry. This video is an explanatory video for foreign nationals seeking employment at a Japanese furnace building company under the building specified skill. The furnace building industry involves the construction of equipment that is exposed to high temperatures, such as smelting furnaces and refractory linings. Industries that utilize smelting furnaces include the iron and steelmaking industry, the metal-making industry, the cement-making industry, the glass-making industry, the ceramic industry, waste incinerators, and boilers. In this video, we will be introducing you to the smelting furnaces that are built in each of these industries. Smelting furnaces are comprised of refractories on the inside. Refractories are manufactured from fire-resistant inorganic materials. As a structure, they can withstand temperatures of 700 to 800 degrees Celsius or higher, or flame temperatures of nearly 1,400 to 1,500 degrees Celsius. Various furnace building equipment. From here on out, we will introduce you to a variety of furnace building equipment. Furnace building equipment in the iron and steel making industry: blast furnaces, hot stove, molten iron transport car, torpedo car. Furnaces for the steel industry are made by first melting and reducing iron ore at high temperatures, by burning cokes in a blast furnace. Refractories are stacked in the blast furnace to a height of nearly 50 meters. Maximum temperatures inside of the blast furnace can reach up to 2,400 degrees Celsius. The air for burning the cokes in the blast furnace is heated to 1,200 degrees Celsius in a hot stove. The melting iron produced in the blast furnace, which is at temperatures of nearly 1,400 degrees Celsius, is preserved in a transport vehicle called a metal mixer that is also lined with refractories. The melting iron is then transported to the next step in the process: steel making. Furnace building equipment in the iron and steel making industry: basic oxygen furnaces, electric furnace. In the basic oxygen furnace, the melt iron is gunned with oxygen to burn the carbon, then refined into steel. The steel is then cooled and hardened in a casting machine. Furnace building requires precision, as meticulous brickwork is needed to prevent the melted iron from leaking. Electric furnaces are used to manufacture steel products by melting steel scraps using arcs from carbon cathodes as a heat source. Furnace building equipment in the iron and steel making industry: reheating furnaces, annealing furnace. The solidified steel ingot is then heated in a reheating furnace to a temperature of nearly 1,400 degrees Celsius, before being rolled. The resulting steel sheet is treated at a temperature of nearly 1,000 to 1,200 degrees Celsius, heat treating furnace, then rolled to create the final product. The heat treating furnace is used to control the temperature and create a thermal history, and adjust the atmosphere oxidation reduction to achieve a metallurgy effect. Furnace building equipment in the non-ferrous smelting industry. In the non-ferrous smelting industry, copper, aluminum, zinc, and other metals are refined from ore into metal using a refining furnace, and like iron, are shaped to create products. Furnace building equipment in the cement-making industry. In the cement industry, limestone is used as the primary ingredient, and fired in a cylindrical kiln dozens of meters long at temperatures of 1,200 to 1,400 degrees Celsius, to create cement products. Furnace building equipment in the glass-making industry. In the glass industry, Silicic acid, SiO2, is melted in a glass melting furnace at a temperature of 1500 to 1600 degrees Celsius. Molten glass can melt refractories. As such, special refractories must be constructed in a precise manner. Furnace building equipment in the ceramic industry. In the refractory ceramic industry, raw powder, kaolin, etc., is molded into the shape of products and fired in a continuous tunnel furnace to create the products. Incinerator, boiler. Waste incinerators burn and dispose of municipal waste and other materials. In recent years, more and more facilities have boilers built alongside them to generate electricity. Other equipment that requires furnace building includes reheating furnaces in the chemical industry and boilers provided to electric generators and other facilities. Construction of shaped refractories, bricks, and monolithic refractories. Refractories can be broadly classified into shaped bricks and monolithic refractories. Shaped bricks are molded block-shaped refractories. These are piled up to build the structure in the furnace building process. In many cases, the bricks are glued together with mortar, monolithic refractory mixed with water, and stacked. They may also be stacked without mortar. Many types of monolithic refractories come in a powder form that must be stirred with water to become usable. This includes castable refractories that must be cast to be used, plastic refractories with low moisture content and plasticity, gunning materials that are pressure or air jetted through a nozzle, and mortar, which is used as an adhesive. Ceramic fiber installation. Another type of non-powder monolithic refractory is fibrous refractory, ceramic fiber, which is made by turning fiber products, made by forming felted ceramic fibers, into blanket or block form, and using these as linings. Monolithic refractories are used not only in construction, but also in the repair and restoration of damaged or worn refractories. Repairs are frequently performed through such measures as casting and gunning. Combustion facilities. Many smelting furnace facilities burn fuel as a heat source, and require ancillary equipment such as burners and other combustion equipment, and piping. Furnaces must be equipped with a burner. Installation of flame holder, burner tiles, is also necessary to stabilize the combustion flame. Some furnaces that are electrically heated have an internal heater furnace. Form fabricator. A wooden form is required for the building process. Fabricating the wooden form fabricators, is also important in furnace building construction. In many cases, the wooden form is created through woodworking, which also requires a high level of manufacturing skill. The photo shows an example of a wooden form being fabricated through woodworking. Wooden forms are used as a support when bricks are stacked, and as a frame for casting. Brickwork skill inspection. Furnace building technicians are required to take a national exam to ensure their skill level. 20. Brickwork skill inspection. Successful examinees are granted either Level 1 or Level 2 certification. To achieve this requires years of experience, practical skills, and the passing of the exam. In the practical exam, examinees are given a blueprint of brickwork and must produce it within a set time frame. The finished product is judged for completeness. Japan Brickworkers Foster Association, JBFA. Objective: for companies that share the same challenges faced by the furnace building to come together, and work together to solve issues related to the training of furnace building technicians. Members. Regular members. 16 companies. Members in the Specified Skilled Worker Program. 9 companies. Business description. 1. Advancement of the furnace building industry and efforts to improve technician skills. 2. Enforcement of compliance and sharing of information. 3. Utilization of the Specified Skilled Worker Program. We're looking forward to the day when we can work with you all in Japan.